In my last video, I had left Florida and came back to Minnesota, and this is how life was going for me when I had went to Minnesota.
Trait that I have, I beg for distance when I land, and being distant we won't last. But if it's best for you, then go be free. But if you're planning on coming back, cause by the time you get back, I'll be gone. Too scared of being alone, and where I lay my hat's my home. And I know that you're frustrated, you want me to open more. But it takes a strong, strong heart to heal my broken soul.
So obviously I was at the Wild Wave concert, hung out with a few friends, went to Detroit for Thanksgiving. That was pretty fun. And after that, I was just like, you know what, I got to get back into this whole mindset of me trying to move back to Florida. So I came up with a mind plan and got myself into some new hobbies, and just, life was really giving. So this is just how life was going for me while I was in Minnesota trying to come back.
Yeah, run that shit up, go crazy. I'm a young nigga, double O, baby. Don't need help maintaining.
So before I had left Minnesota, I made sure to get my teeth whitened because I'm like, yeah, I might as well, pop up in a new state with some bright teeth. You feel me? So shout out to Jaleesa. Make sure y'all, get y'all teeth white.
At 29 and I find myself wondering what did happen to the last 10. I ran away with my life, fast forward, never turn back again. It's kind of funny that the more we pass time, the more we need to set the rewind. And 19 was the year I had to leave you, but now I'm seeing all the signs. Is this really happening? I can't believe it's true.
It is January 30th. And I'm on my way to Florida. What am I doing? I'm gonna just go around. I shouldn't have. I was just trying to vlog for y'all. That's what always happens. I try to vlog for y'all. But I just left holiday. My mom filled up my tank, so thank you, Mom. And yeah, going back to Florida, y'all. So like I said, y'all come with me on this. y'all saw me trying to tint my own car. And y'all, I don't even know why I was trying, but I know I'm a very independent person, so that's really why I was really trying, but it really irked me, so I eventually had got them tinted, but this was the process of it, y'all. I really felt like in my head I could tint my own car, but that wasn't working, so I got my car tinted. Today is currently April 16th of 2023, and I came here February 1st, so I've been in Florida for 2 months. And when I first came down here, I was working at a job, and I quit the job because the job was playing with me. So I'm gonna insert the clip of me quitting a job because they really tried me. See me, but today is February 24th, and I'm quitting my job because they really been trying me. They really been thinking that I don't know my worth. And if y'all go through what I go through sometimes in life, you really just gotta put your foot down, you feel me? So don't ever be afraid to do this. Please don't. Like, no. Because you're weird. I just wanted to let you know that I'm about to no longer be working there, and that I appreciate everything that you have done for me, but it's just been a lot of stuff that has been going on, so I'm not going to be coming in no more. One thing I just want to say is just like, if y'all ever feel like y'all want to quit something or something's holding you back, please just go forth with it and just keep it pushing. I quit my job. I was like, I literally lasted there like 2-3 weeks. I was messing with it, but I started a new job. Now I'm just like, I'm giving this job really into May. And now what I don't like right now, because I'm living a Hannah Montana life right now. Day job, I have to be Miley. In my day job, you can't wear nails, you can't do nothing. So I've been like messing with press-ons, you feel me? But like, I like to have my nails and I like to keep my nails done. So I don't know if this day job is about to work for me and whatever. But we're not even going to talk about that. But Miley in the day, boom, Hannah Montana in the night, you feel me? I'm me at night. The nails, the hair, everything. Like, everything really just definitely be given. So, and also before I even start off saying whatever, I did my own hair and it's really cute. And I'm like vibing with it. You feel me? But now since I got the nighttime stuff figured out, I like the nighttime better than the day. I'm always like the night better than the day. So I'm gonna figure out something with this day job. Who's calling me? My mom's calling me. I'm gonna answer her. I'm gonna just tell her, hold on. Hello. I'm not really always vlogging, but I'm always posting to my Instagram. So make sure y'all follow me on Instagram at MiamiXXX_. Alright, y'all, so at this point, life was still, fresh to me. Florida was still fresh. It was new, but it was still giving, as y'all see.
Can you call me? You keep asking me. Don't take a whole box, you want half of me. Drug sex, yeah. Rich sex, yeah.
So at this point, I was just focused on grinding, getting my money. I already knew like me and this job was not gonna last either, but I was trying my hardest to maintain a regular lifestyle because I literally just basically stopped my life and then had a huge setback just to restart my life. And I highly recommend restarting at some point in life because it's one of the best decisions that I ever had done, like for real. Days and T-minus days. I'm driving right now to go get my eyebrows done just because I've been so busy with working and just, the whole move because like I said, moved to Florida. Y'all just gonna see Miami in flesh, you feel me? So don't play with it, don't play with it. I think it's a fight or something going on, but it is a fight, but I'll be back.
don't teach you how to lose. She's scared.
It's on side. You know it's down and down.
Alright, y'all, so I'm about a girl now. Period.
Okay, when you get checked.
This is literally the best burger I've ever had.
Y'all make sure y'all take care of her. Y'all make sure y'all take care of her. Yeah, this ain't what you want. Wow. This ain't what you want. Yeah, damn, 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 I like that. I like that.
Job is just really doing me justice right now because of the simple fact that I'm at Kodak Black. Y'all, I was serving Kodak Black, and I was just so happy because I was just like, what, like, I never thought like my life would come to this. Like, I was just actually so happy because on January 21st, 10 days before I was supposed to be leaving to drive down to Florida, Kodak Black was going to be up in Minnesota. Minnesota be weird a lot of times, and so like he canceled. Moral of the story, Kodak Black canceled. So 10 days later, I was shooting down to Florida, and I was so sad. I'm like, dang, I really had high hopes in seeing Kodak, woo. And I'm like, yeah, Kodak always be in Florida, but dang, when am I going to see him in Florida? You feel me? I was sad. But boom, Kodak came to my club on Easter. You feel me? April 1st, it was so lit.